What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. If your base is running out of power during the night, in this video I'll show you how to unlock the power storage, which is essentially a module you put on the wall. It stores extra electricity generated during the day and gives it back to you at night. The first one we can grab when we get the rebreather, and for this one you don't need the thermal upgrade, which allows you to enter the hot areas to the east of your life pod. Though, unfortunately, you will need that upgrade in order to finish it off, starting off at the first location where you get the rebreather. For this one, we'll need to head from our starting life pod basically to 10. We'll be heading out quite the distance. When you reach this massive drop-off, just stick to your right and move along here until eventually you see this hanging over piece of metal here. Just past this is a giant spire here, and just underneath said spire, you'll see a hole down here. That's where we're heading to, and this puts us at around, let's see, 250 meters from our life pod, basically straight southwest. Heading straight down here and into this, you'll see on the inside that we've got a biobed here, which we can upgrade at, as well as a couple of things to scan. And on the far right side, this over here, which is the power storage, which you can scan to study one of two parts. Then we can head back out of here and back towards our base. For the next part, we'll be heading back towards our life pod, and this time we'll be heading essentially straight southeast from our base until eventually you reach this little drop off, these spires, and just past these, the hot area over here that we'll need to head into, which you'll need the upgrade for, unfortunately. But right over here, we're at roughly 350 meters, 120 from our base, which is this direction. You'll see this gigantic hole over here with these little spires resting on each other in sort of an A formation. Nothing too obvious here besides the general direction. Inside of this hole here, you'll head down, and just to your right /210, there's a crack we can head further down in here. At the very bottom, we've got this entryway here. So again, from that hole down to your right, 5 down here, and immediately behind us, we've got this entrance, which through here brings us to the next biobed that we can grab, as well as to your right, this over here, which is the second power storage that we can scan, and it's probably the second one that you'll come across in your journey. The next one that I've found is in this very unwelcoming hot area, around 590 meters from our life pod, basically almost directly east of it, right over here. After this massive spaghetti area, you'll find this small platform just before the pods area down there. And if we swim towards this, there's a box with another scannable power storage right over here. Again, there's the life pod. Then, from this platform, if you look just northeast or 60, you'll find this area down here, which comes up in the story later on, the tadpole pens, which if we have a look at our base, 660, basically directly east again. From here, we can head into this, and to your left over here, if you've already unlocked the door here, which I've got a separate guide for linked down below, through this on your left, you've got the power storage here, though this one's a lot less accessible. And with that, once you eventually make it home, you're now able to craft yourself the power storage, which if we place down on a wall using 1 germanium, 3 titanium, and 2 salt, you'll have reserve power. You can actually disable it just by left-clicking at the very top, enabled and disabled. As soon as your power generation slows down / stops, the reserve power in here will be used. As I'm currently running at a deficit, if we just remove something that's using power and have a look over here, very slowly charging up from the bottom to the top, depending how much electricity you generate, you'll have it stored away in here for later use. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.